Hey guys, welcome back to Crafted by Kids. Today, we're going to be making 3 different cat's cradle poses. Let's get on with the video. For this video, all you'll need is a 45-inch piece of string. You're going to take your string and tie the ends in a knot. Then you're going to cut off the excess string. Okay, now you have your cat's cradle string. Make sure the knot is pulled tight so it doesn't come undone while you're making your poses. Okay, so the starter position is just putting it around your thumb and around your pinky. Looping it around your thumb and then around your pinky. Really simple, really easy. You're gonna take your pointer finger, loop it from the string across your palm, and do the same with the other hand. This is the first pose. It's called Open A. Then you're gonna drop your thumbs. Then you're gonna use your thumbs to pull the furthest string array back, like so. Then you're gonna use your thumbs again and drop the third furthest string away. You're gonna actually take the string. Then you're gonna drop your pinkies. Then you're going to use your pinkies to take the second furthest string. Then you're going to drop your thumbs. This is called cat whiskers. Then you're going to use your thumbs to loop the third furthest string over your thumbs. This is what it should look like. Then you're going to take the string that's looped around your pointer finger and loop that around your thumb. Then you're gonna take the original string that was around your thumb and loop it back over. You're gonna do the same with the other hand. Then you're gonna put your pointer finger into the 2 little triangles that you've created right here. And while you keep those fingers in, you're gonna drop your pinkies and pull your hands open. This is called Jacob's Ladder, which is the third and final pose. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel and don't forget to like and share this video. Bye!